The first step to get your ITIN is to apply through an IRS Enrolled Agent. This step is a bit costly, but will save a lot of your time. The second step is completely free of cost, but it takes a lot of effort and paperwork. The processing time to get an ITIN is 9 to 11 weeks, but can take sometime more time as well. We recommend the first way, which is applying through an IRS Enrolled Agent. Are you worried about your federal income tax returns? Or maybe you're trying to set up your PayPal business account and payment merchant gateways, but feel stuck? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Because in today's video, I will tell you how to get your ITIN for free so that you can file your federal income tax returns and can set up your business bank accounts like PayPal and your payment merchant gateways. There are several ways to get your ITIN, and the last option is free of charge. So stick to the video till end and get your ITIN by yourself. Before jumping into the topic, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get such type of informative videos for free. So let's start our today's video. So the first step to get your ITIN is to apply through an IRS Enrolled Agent. This step is a bit costly, but will save a lot of your time, and it waives paperwork, going to embassy and document notarization. As you only provide document to the IRS Enrolled Agent, he will notarize by himself and submit it to the IRS electronically. The second step is completely free of cost, but it takes a lot of effort and paperwork. Let me tell you how. If you want to apply your ITIN by yourself, first of all, you have to go to the US Embassy website and you have to book your appointment for your passport notarization, which costs almost $100. Once you get your appointment for your notarization, you will go to the US Embassy along with your passport. They will notarize your passport. Then you have to get the scanned photocopy of your notarized passport, and along with that you have to get the W7 form from the IRS website, which is application for ITIN. You have to fill it according to its terms and conditions. Then you have to mail it to the IRS mailing address to the US along with the scanned notarized photocopy. This takes much more time as the document go through mail. Once IRS received it, the processing time to get an ITIN is 9 to 11 weeks, but can take some time more time as well. We recommend the first way, which is applying through an IRS Enrolled Agent. We are also IRS Enrolled Agents. So if you want to get ITIN through us, please contact us on any of our social media platform. We can help you get your ITIN in 7 to 9 weeks. If you have any query related to the ITIN, please ask us in the comment section. This was all for the today. Thank you.